Welcome to Pozyx. We're excited to bring you a new educational series on real-time location systems, also known as RTLS, and how they can transform your operations. If you've ever lost time hunting for materials, waiting on parts you can't see, or guessing where work is in the process, this series is for you. In our first episode, we'll start with the basics. What is RTLS really? We'll break it down in plain language and show you how real-time location data becomes the backbone for smarter decisions on the shop floor. From there, we'll walk through real-world use cases, from simple search and find, to tracking work in progress, to automating flows and reducing delays across your facility. The goal is simple: give you clear, practical insight into how Pozyx helps you keep track of what matters most, so you can stay ahead. If your ERP says a pallet is in zone C4, but your team has been searching for it for 20 minutes, you don't have a people problem. You have a visibility problem. That's where RTLS comes in. RTLS stands for Real-Time Location System. Think of it as a GPS for indoors, purpose-built to track inventory, equipment, and even people inside factories, warehouses, and other complex buildings where GPS doesn't reach. Instead of relying on a single barcode scanner receiving, RTLS continuously shows you where things are right now, not where the system hoped they would be. A typical RTLS has a few key pieces working together: tags or beacons attached to assets, vehicles, or carried by people; anchors that are installed in fixed positions that pick up signals from those tags; a location engine and RTLS software that calculate precise positions and let you configure and manage the system; and finally, the applications: dashboards, maps, and integrations with systems like ERP or WMS, where your operators and engineers actually use that location data. The result is a live digital view of your shop floor. What can you do with that? First, real-time visibility. Instantly search and find anything you've tagged, whether it's materials, whip orders, forklifts, reusable packaging, or even operators on the floor. Second, better decisions. By analyzing how the assets move, you can reduce travel time, right-size fleets, and spot bottlenecks you couldn't see before. Third, safety and compliance. RTLS can power alerts for forklift collisions, restricted zones, and emergency mustering. And finally, automation, using location as a trigger to update bookings, start workflows, or route orders automatically when something enters your zone or reaches the next step in a process. In this series, we'll take RTLS out of the buzzword category and into real-time operations. We'll cover search and find, work in progress tracking, forklift tracking and safety, and the real-time automation that ties your entire operation together. Each episode shows you how accurate location data strengthens decision-making and improves flow on the shop floor. This is Pozyx. Keep track, stay ahead.